Welcome to Art's Bird Video. We got all the little guys here today. They're not eating the bird seed we put out for them. They're over here picking off the berries off the tree. We got a little bit of everything up there. I don't even know what all the names of these birds are, but they sure like those berries. Didn't touch them all year, but it's maybe the frost broke them down for they're easier to eat. They're really cleaning them up. There's some pretty guys in there. One has a yellow breast, or two of them. I'm not quite sure what those birds are. Got a robin way up high up there. Oh, we got one right here. Yeah, we'll see if we can zoom in on some of these guys. Oh, there we go. That's a pretty guy right there. I have to play this video for the cat. He'll be all excited about this. These are, I don't know what they are, Pat. They're not, I don't think they're sparrows, they're something else. Sure like the berries. Got a robin over there on the fence. I don't think we've seen these birds before, Pat.
Mm-hmm. They've got a little thing on their
Oh, they're over there.
on their
I
head.
like the water too. They have a yellow breast. Yeah, and then that little comb on their head.
They almost look like a cardinal.
Oh, you might be right. There's a robin that came over to get a drink of water. If you guys know what the yellow birds are, please let us know, for we know what kind of bird they were. Thinking they might be cardinals, but we're not sure. Get along okay with the robins. you enjoy these bird videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by and enjoying the birds in our backyard with us this morning.